Taking the Prague to Vienna Train, a perfect weekend getaway. Embark on a scenic train journey from Prague to Vienna, filled with culture and adventure. Enjoy breathtaking views and quaint villages along the way. Before we dive back into our video, I want to extend a special invitation to you. If you've been enjoying the incredible blend of travel and tech content on this channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you not only become part of our amazing community, but also play a vital role in fueling the passion that drives these videos. Plus, it's absolutely free. Thank you! Travel by train in Europe offers a delightful way to explore, combining old-world charm with efficient transportation and picturesque landscapes. Boarding the train in Prague sets the stage for a journey of discovery and excitement, promising new experiences at every turn. Choosing the Prague to Vienna train for your weekend escape offers a unique adventure through Europe's scenic beauty. Experience the charm and history of both cities while enjoying the comfort of train travel. Discover hidden European treasures along the route, making your weekend getaway unforgettable. RegioJet and OBB are popular train companies operating on the Prague to Vienna route, each offering different travel experiences. RegioJet trains boast modern amenities, including free Wi-Fi and onboard entertainment, providing a comfortable journey. OBB trains offer a reliable service with a traditional approach, focusing on comfort and quality. Trains run frequently, and the journey takes about 4 hours, making it easy to explore both cities in one day. RegioJet offers various classes with amenities to enhance your travel experience, from basic to first-class comforts. Business class on RegioJet provides luxurious seating and complimentary beverages, ensuring a premium experience. Each seat in RegioJet trains has charging plugs and access to free Wi-Fi, adding convenience to your journey. OBB provides several departure options, making it flexible to plan your travel schedule. Comparatively, RegioJet offers more affordable pricing, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. Tickets can be booked easily through RegioJet's app or OBB's website, each platform offering user-friendly navigation. When in Vienna, choose from a range of accommodations from charming inns to stylish hotels to enhance your stay. Vienna's allure includes historical sites like Belvedere Palace and the fun-filled Prater amusement park. Spend a day exploring Schönbrunn Palace, immersing yourself in its historical grandeur and beautiful gardens. Enjoy Vienna's vibrant culinary scene, from traditional coffeehouses to local markets offering authentic Austrian dishes. Plan your days to include major attractions, but also leave room for spontaneous exploration. Utilize the convenience and scenic beauty of the train journey to enhance your travel experience between Prague and Vienna. Indulge in the local delicacies along the Prague-Vienna route, from Czech goulash to Austrian schnitzel. Make the most of your trip by planning ahead, packing efficiently, and creating a detailed itinerary. With thoughtful preparation, your Prague to Vienna train journey can be a memorable and enriching weekend escape.